Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new account on the Axe app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. So without further ado, let's just jump right into it. First, we have to open up the Axe app. And here it opens up in the feed where we have the posts from the people that we follow. Now we swipe to the right. And here, next to our name, we find a circle with 3 dots. We tap on that, and here at the top we find create a new account. Now, if we tap on this, we can create a new account either with continuing with Google, which will open up a tab where we have the Google accounts that we are signed in on our device, or we can just tap on create account on the bottom and add the email address that we want the account to be created by. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope it was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.